Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pinpointing what needs work and why. This matters because vague goals fail. Once done, pick 2-3 specific weaknesses and set measurable targets, such as speaking in 3 meetings per month. Make sure to record one baseline conversation now so you have something to compare. You'll also decide on priority contexts, work, social, or presentations, so practice is focused. This immediate start prevents procrastination and gives clear feedback loops for later refinement. Now you move into deliberate practice. Use role-play, mirror work, and recordings. Time short drills to 3-5 minutes to build habits. Once done, combine speaking drills with active listening. Paraphrase and ask one clarifying question each turn because communication is two-way. Make sure to get weekly feedback from one mentor or peer and track progress against your measurable targets. You'll iterate, adjust tone, pacing, or vocabulary based on feedback, and repeat exercises with increasing challenge to build. To finish, integrate new habits into real life. Plan to use skills in 3 real situations and note outcomes and feelings. Once done, consolidate by adding short practice to your daily routine for 2 to 4 weeks so skills stick. Make sure to review recordings and feedback monthly and update goals. If progress stalls, simplify goals, increase feedback frequency, and return to short drills. This troubleshooting keeps you moving forward without losing momentum or getting overwhelmed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.